friends, so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Maggi in a capsicum. A very delicious, healthy and a filling breakfast recipe. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat 1 cup of water in a pan. To this add 1 Maggi cake and the taste maker that comes along. Cook for 2 minutes in high flame. After 1 minute, the Maggi cake is half cooked. Cook for 1 more minute. Now after 2 minutes, the Maggi is well done. Keep this ready. Today I have a capsicum. Cut off the top, save it for later. Remove the seeds. Now we have a bowl-like structure. Fill the capsicum with the cooked Maggi. Stuff as much as you can. Now it's ready to get steamed. Heat a pan, into this add a teaspoon of oil. Spread the oil throughout the pan. Place the capsicum in the center of the pan. Close it with a lid. Let this cook for 10 minutes in low flame. It's been 10 minutes, so let's open and check. The capsicum is well done. You can see the color is changed. The flavors of the capsicum are induced in the Maggi noodles and the flavors of the Maggi noodles are induced in the capsicum. It's perfectly done. Now our delicious Maggi in a capsicum is ready. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this Maggi in a capsicum recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.